Good afternoon. Now that testing is over or about to be over for most of you, we're going to show you how to bundle all of your answer documents and how to get them into order in order to bring them into us tomorrow and or Friday if you're high school. So as you can see here, I'm showing you how we've got all of our answer documents laid out and ready to get prepped. We will also be receiving this copy of this handout that will go into more detail of what we're explaining to you now in the video. So here you can see we have at least one campus and group identification sheet, and this one is particularly for 8th grade. And for each one of these that you're going to have, you're also going to need to have at least one class identification sheet. In this example with regards to 8th grade, we're going to show you that we have 2 and how those 2 will equal our final total. So we have 15 on this class identification sheet, 80 under this class identification sheet, for a total of 95. We also have examples to show you how we will band our voided answer documents using the void header sheet. Now keep in mind, most of you will have these sheets provided to you from TEA that already have your county, district number, and campus number already slugged in there or pre-populated. You'll just have to fill out the total here, and the name should be at the top. But these are examples to show you what you would do if you needed a blank one. Here you can see an example of ones that are banded already for 7th grade and another set of voids. So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we start to put together this 8th grade example. So first we're going to do is on the very first one, and all of the first ones in this stack are going to be our hand grids. So here you see the hand grid of a student. We want to make sure that the book numbers for each one of these are filled in, the form numbers are filled in, and in particular, because this one is a complete hand grid, you can see that we've hand gridded the student's name. We right justified the ID number. We have the social here. We have all of the demographics in, and then we also have the district name, San Antonio ISD, and then the campus. In this case, it's Cooper Testing. So we're going to put that all together underneath this header sheet. And now these header sheets, you can see again, that's 15 and 80 to equal a total of 95. Now what we need to do is go ahead and band it. We've already written on our band, Cooper Testing, 8th grade. Now we're going to have extra left over in terms of the band. So what we're going to do is we're going to tear it off, ensure that we have a nice firm fit, but it's not too snug. Use a little piece of tape. There you go. That's 1 of 1 Cooper Testing, 8th grade. You're also going to have one, depending on your campus, if you're an academy, you're going to have voids like you see here, 5th and 8th grade voids. Those can go together just like you see. You're going to have testing 7th grade, 1 of 1. Again, we fill it out. We put in our total, and our total matches our campus sheet. And we also want to make sure that we indicate the grade level on there. Now, when you're looking at the campus header sheets, keep in mind the name that you use on the campus header sheet can be any name that you choose. In this case, we chose our director's name, Mrs. Brown, to indicate that information, but it's really irrelevant. The results don't come back by teacher like they used to, and with our research and evaluation department, you can get them by teacher name. Now, we're going to show you how we band this last void here. These are 4th and 7th grades that we're going to band together. One last time, we're going to go ahead and tear it, make it snug. A little piece of tape. And now we're set. Now, as long as my counts match and all of my documents are put together neatly, I'm ready to bring them in. Keep in mind, we want to make sure that we indicate that it's 1 of 1. If you had more than 100 answer documents in any stack, then you would start to see 1 of 2, 2 of 2, or so on, depending on how many you have. We try not to band more than 100 answer documents per band, simply because it becomes a little too cumbersome and difficult to band and or manage. So remember, our max is 100 per band. So if I go above that 100, I need to start a second pack. I won't need another pink one in my second bundle of 2. I would only need 1 more class header sheet. And again, between all the class identification sheets, all of them give me my total here. We hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.